Hi guys, the ISOs have been released. 24 of them are online, and that gives me some time to do some smaller stuff. And there is a remark on GitHub about Lazuli Azul or Lazuli Conky. And because of that, I've looked into a command which you use or do not use. And the package is called vnstat sudo pacman -s vnstat. So it's an, well, we'll just read what it is. Man vnstat. A console-based network traffic monitor. It's a console-based network traffic monitor, keeps a log of 5-minute intervals, hourly, daily, monthly, yearly network traffics. And we've used it here. I've added a line here yesterday. So I'll push out a new package for the Conkies, and it has this line. So yesterday I've uploaded 47 gigabytes of 24 ISOs of ArcoLinux. So you can keep track of what's going on in your machine. If you've got a big torrenter, you can actually see how much it goes away. So that's one thing. So vnstat, if it's running, well, first of all, install. Always have the reflex. Does this package have any service? This is for me the tool, the graphical tool to show what's happening to my computer if I install a package, what dependencies are there, what files are there. And this is your trigger to go and have a look at, oh, there is a service. Maybe I should enable it, right? So sudo systemctl enable vnstat. That's what you should type. And if you don't want to reboot, then you need to start it as well. So vnstat and can leave off the service because he knows you want to apply the service. And then it gives some time, right? Give it some time because it needs to fill up a database. You saw there was a dependency to a database. And then finally, you get all the information available. Also in the, of course, in the system itself, right? Just type vnstat. That's it. And from this output, we grab numbers basically, and the numbers come in here. And that's your Conky. Conky is going to say, give me the vnstat of this interface. This interface needs to be changed. You just type ifconfig and you know your interface. In Windows, remember ipconfig, in here ifconfig interface. So if this is the thing I need, you need something else because numbers, right, they change on all the systems. And that's what I wanted to say. I wanted to show that this will go out, and maybe you're interested in keeping track of your gigabytes. And at this particular moment in time, I ask people to seed. So if you can't donate to the project, you can donate your bandwidth so people get a faster download via the torrents. So you can still keep track of your gigabytes. How much have I uploaded to, well, to the world, right? Simple as that, to the world. There you go. All right. Enjoy, guys. Cheers.